In this video, I'm going to be talking to you about 5 websites that have brought in 6 figures and much more to us. Along the way, I'm going to be giving you some tips, tricks, real golden nuggets of knowledge that I've picked up over the years that have helped us to achieve these levels, which I think that you can do the same. So I hope that this is going to be a video that you find really interesting and motivating. If you do like this video, all that I ask is that you check out the channel and see whether there's any other videos that you may also find similarly interesting. Simple as that. So with that in mind, let's get started. So if you've watched any of the videos on this channel, you'll know that primarily our business is in and around affiliate marketing, okay? And that is essentially the promotion of products that someone else has created, someone else maintained, and we earn a commission, whether that's 1%, whether that's 100%, whether that is $7, whether that's $1,000 per commission, okay? So there's a wide scope of ways that you can earn commissions. There's also the ability to continue to earn commissions every month if it's a recurring, so not just earning that 1 to 100% for promoting that product. There's the ability to earn it ongoing as long as the person that's actually purchased and using the product continues to find benefit to it every single month. And if the program has a commission rate that is monthly, golden. And I've said that so many times in so many of my videos that the holy grail of affiliate marketing really is getting those recurring. Okay, so you get one in, you get a customer, you recommend the product to them that they want, that they need, and then you continue to earn for as long as they use it. And as long as it's something that they love and they need, they want, why would they stop using it? So this is where affiliate marketing really kind of comes into its own. So as I say, this video is really going to be talking about 5 websites that we've used over the years to generate, really good income. Okay, so let's talk about the first one. I want to get the first one out of the way because it's the one that you see on every video on YouTube talking about affiliate marketing. But the truth is that we have used it to phenomenal success. Okay, and that is Clickbank. Yes, not everyone's favorite, but it is a website that anyone can join. So anyone can join it. There's no real approval process. Anyone can start promoting the vast majority of the products and earn commissions. They can get those payments sent directly to their PayPal account. Okay, and there is a wide variety of products. It's not just in one category. It's not like, marketing softwares or programs. It's got everything. So as a beginner, it's brilliant, okay? Because it gives you that little bit of scope, gives you a little bit of flexibility to test the water on maybe some topics that you're a bit more interested in or have a little bit more knowledge. Because that's what we say, when you're new to affiliate marketing, you really want to be promoting products that you have a bit of passion for, a bit of drive or knowledge, so that when you speak about it, you can continue to talk about it. So you can see in this video, I'm talking like 100 miles an hour, and I can keep going and going and going and going because I know the subject matter inside out. If I was to then start talking about some other topic that I don't, like the ins and outs of, a camera, for example, I might, not quite know what I'm talking about, right? But you've got subjects like spirituality, health and fitness, hobbies, as well as business, wealth opportunity, crypto. But there is a lot more, and also there are some products that are quite niche, and there's like one product on it in that category, which is quite cool. I think it's quite cool rather than it just being one product. Okay, so as I say, over the years we've created funnels and we've driven traffic to sell those products, and then to then promote other products on the email list. We've sent ads. We've done basically it all in terms of Clickbank to get those commissions. Okay, So as I said, I just wanted to get that one out of the way because it's the first one, but it is a really good one. It's been really good to us, but it's also one that I think anyone can jump in. Okay. So the second one is building upon that, and it's a website called Warrior Plus. Now, this is another affiliate network, but the products on there are more specific. They're more digital softwares, courses, programs, memberships. They're all kind of to do with either marketing or business. Okay, and these products are really, really good because they have really good commissions, You know, a lot of the products anyone can go in and apply for. You may need to like semi-prove your worth by getting commissions elsewhere for some of those products, because some of the really big super affiliates will only really want affiliates that are able to get sales because of the statistics. You know, a lot of the affiliates, they want to keep those statistics to show that their conversion rates are fantastic. Okay, because obviously higher conversion rates, it's going to entice more people to want to promote, better affiliates to promote, which essentially means more money, you know, at the top of the food chain. Okay, so there you go. But we've promoted loads of products over this. We've built loads and loads of email lists of people that are hungry for these sorts of products, and then we've sent emails to them through email marketing to get those commissions. And as I say, the commissions are great because not only are there front end products, so you buy the product, okay, but there are loads and loads of upgrades for all of these products that are on the site. So the potential to earn really decent commissions is, you know, within grasp for everyone really, but it's something that we've utilized in affiliate marketing over the years to really be the bedrock of what we've been doing. Okay. So the third one is actually where you are right now. Okay. And that is YouTube. Okay. So we've created loads of YouTube channels over the years in all different categories, whether it's like ones like you're watching now, okay, or whether it is ones that are no face, you know, that are purely, you know, factual, you know, they're not opinionated, you know, they may be tutorials, they may be just information, okay. But obviously, by doing those videos on a regular basis, we've been able to create channels that have loads and loads of subscribers, which in turn correlates to ad revenue, one, but also the ability to promote products. So this may be the Clickbank products, this may be the Warrior Plus products, this may be products from other networks and other individual programs, and also including Amazon. Okay, so selling physical products, okay, which are, you know, congruent with the content of the video, which is super cool, as you would expect. Okay, but you know, YouTube is very, very simple. All you got to do is create videos, and I know a lot of people think that's too difficult. It's really, really difficult, but you know, I think this channel, now this channel is not a big channel. This is a really, really small channel, and the views are not incredible. Okay, but this channel still brings in decent ad revenue. Okay, the truth is, if it wasn't, I wouldn't bother with it. You know, I wouldn't bother dropping a video if it was only going to make, like, you know, 50 cents. What's the point? Okay, it's got to be worth your while to have spent, you know, half an hour putting this video together, and if it brings in, you know, satisfactory income, you keep doing it and you keep dropping them every now and again when you can be bothered. Okay, but if you get a channel where it's golden, some of our others, where, you know, you're going to drop one video and it's going to bring in a massive chunk of change, you're going to spend real good time on high quality, make sure everything's a real quality, and then, you know, position it as and when's appropriate. Okay, so there you go. YouTube, really, really good to us, right? Now the next two kind of fall together, okay, and they're very specific products. So at the start of this video, I mentioned that if you can find a product that is recurring, okay, it's great because you're going to earn commissions for each month that they have the product. So just say it's $10 per month and you get a 30%, you're going to earn $3 for as long as they have it. Every single month they rebill, then they give you the $3 every single month. Okay, so these products are really, really good, but you need products that people are going to continue to use, that they're going to continue to rebuild. There's no point finding a product, putting it in front of their faces and say, you buy this, and then you hoping that, oh, he's got a recurring commission. This is going to be really, really good. Because if they use it for 1 month and then they're like, they've hit cancel, or they've signed up for it one day and they've already hit the cancel for next month already, it's no good, is it? Okay, so you need to find products that people are going to use. And you need to find a way of providing them with the information to want to and need to. Okay, so the first one is actually Aweber. So Aweber is an autoresponder, and this is how we collect email addresses, we build a list, and then how we send emails, whether that's as soon as people join onto our list, we hit them with the first email, and a series of emails. Okay, so they're a welcome series. So it doesn't matter whether they sign up at 1 a.m. or 3 p.m., Monday, Thursday, next year, the year after, whatever happens, we've already set it up. They're going to be hit with those emails. Okay. So Aweber's got a fantastic affiliate program. Okay. And what we've done is we've recommended loads of people to use it. So the way that we've done that is we've done that by, giving people the tools and the training and the advice of how to build businesses that are built through email marketing. Okay, we've shown them how to utilize Aweber. Okay, how to use it every single day, how to send emails, how to set them up, how to set the welcome series, giving them email swipes so they've already got the emails. All these sorts of things that we've done. Okay, and then we've just given them the option to sign up for Aweber through our link. Okay, and then that gives us the commission, because now they've got all that information and they've got the knowledge that they can succeed in their business, and they're going to continue to utilize that program going forward. Okay, so Aweber has been really, really good to us over the years. Lots and lots of members, and it's bringing in commissions every single month, which is absolutely golden. Okay, so on the same point of view, the same position, we've actually got ClickFunnels. Okay, so ClickFunnels is a great piece of software. My brother swears by it. He builds all the kind of front end pages for us, right? And utilizes this, and it's drag and drop, and essentially it's a website creator. Okay, it's a website creator, whether it's for sales pages, for upgrade pages, for review pages, whether it's for opt-ins, for lead magnets, for funnels, for affiliate marketing, for selling products, whatever it is, you can create these products, right? Now, again, we show people how to use it, and we say, if you need it, click through this link and, sign up for it. We get those commissions, okay? But what has also been pretty good with ClickFunnels is that we've actually been able to create sites and funnels, pages, whatever, that people would need, and then we can give them an actual link to that where they can download the site into their own account, and that automatically connects them as an affiliate. Okay, so that means we get a commission once they've been billed for using ClickFunnels. Okay, so again, we've been able to bring through loads and loads of customers into ClickFunnels, and we earn those commissions. Okay, but we earn those commissions every single month. Okay, so that is just golden. I love saying it. I love saying it golden when we know that it's really, really good. Okay, so these were the 5 websites, and this is not the extent. Obviously, over the years, we've used loads of websites, particularly with affiliate marketing. There's loads of networks, there's loads of individual programs that we've signed up for, recommended, and utilized over the years. But I just wanted to bring together 5 websites here that kind of come together quite nicely as a package and show you what can be done. And I'm not saying you should take these 5 websites and use them, but you can see how we've taken a couple of affiliate networks, a couple of specific affiliate networks. We've pulled together YouTube as well, and you can use that as an example and use those products, or find similar products where you're able to recommend, train, show people, to get people into these programs. Okay, so I hope, as I said at the start of this video, this is going to be interesting. and it's shown you a little bit of inspiration of what can be done. Okay, and I hope that I've dropped some knowledge through this video. That's what I always like to have done. Whatever the subject matter is I'm talking about, that I like to have shared some tips and tricks and some advice, those golden nuggets that are going to be helpful and applicable to you guys. So if you have enjoyed this video, all I'm asking is that you jump across to the channel and see whether there's any other videos that you would like to watch, because I believe there's probably is some videos that are congruent, that fall nicely in with the subject matter today. So if you've enjoyed this video, do that, and we'll see you for the next video, which is coming up right next. See you later.